Okay, so by now, hopefully you've tried to predict something that is and is not a cause of behavior. And I just want to do a quick video about some common mistakes people make. So when you're looking at this data, a lot of times people look at it and say, well, the standard model is the cause of the behavior, or no head is the cause of the behavior. And that's not exactly the right way to think about it. Instead, you want to switch your thinking and look at it this way. Ask yourself inside this question, if I take this thing away, does the behavior change? Because if I take it away and the behavior changes, it either goes up or goes down, then the thing that I just took away was a cause. So for instance, when the scientists took away the bill, they said, no bill. Did the behavior change? Yes, it went way down. That means not having a beak is a cause. On the flip side, when they said, let's take away the head, what happened? Well, nothing really changed about the behavior. So did the head cause the behavior in the first place? No, the head had no effect on the behavior. So the head was not a cause. Let's look at some of the other ones that you were asked to think about. So no spot. Did the behavior go down? Sure it did. So is the spot a cause? Yeah, because when you take the spot away, the behavior doesn't. What about the shape of the head, this cock's head, right? Or the color. Does the color of the head, when you change the color of the head, when the researchers changed the color of the head, did it change the behavior? No. So is it the cause? It's not. Okay, so that's the way you want to think about it. You don't want to think about it in terms of like, did pecking happen? Well, then it must be a cause. No, instead you want to think about, did it change the amount of the behavior when I took something away or added something? So when I made the head black and green, nothing happened to the amount of pecking compared to a natural head or a standard model. Okay, so that's how you're going to think about it as we go forward.